How to apply to car companies to get a job as a car designer. First, let me tell you how not to do it. Don't just send one sketch or don't just send a text message to info@xbrand.com. It doesn't work like this. I mean, I know it because I tried it before. When I was a student in high school, I think I just sent a sketch or something to info@bmw.com or whatever, and I never get an answer. So how to do it? Like, you cannot have all the contacts to all the car design studios specifically, right? But you did your portfolio, you are ready to go, you are ready to apply. By the way, it's very important first thing to do your portfolio. And if you don't know what is it, you can check out my other videos. But after you are ready, the best thing to do, contact some designers to create a network. If you don't have a network already, and how to have it, because you build these relationships by doing internships, or when you study in a design school, or when you do your master's in a car design school, you generally have some level of connection with the industry. By the way, I know that it's not always the case. Like when I studied industrial design, I didn't have this possibility. I didn't meet any car designers through the school, but I was lucky enough to have my internship at Ford Design Studio, and I met some people there. It was kind of like a network. And why network is that important? Because first, you will learn a lot from them. And secondly, when there's a job opportunity or when there's an internship opportunity, you might hear from them. But also today, there are a lot of people creating network through social media, which is my next point and which is my suggestion for you. You can contact the designers and don't directly ask them like, hey, give me a job, or hey, I want to apply to your company. Just introduce yourself and first try to build a friendship. Try to build, maybe not friendship, but a connection to show your interest. And after that, you can kindly ask if there's any job opportunity in their studio or an internship opportunity, or if they can keep you in mind, or can you send your portfolio to them physically or digitally. So step by step, this connection can lead to an internship possibility later. And you need to be patient. And also don't spam people like every week send them a message. It's not like that. Like I remember I sent more than 100 messages on LinkedIn to different designers to get an insight about what's happening in their studio and how can I apply, what is the best time to apply for internship or for a job opportunity. And how to find these designers to contact them. You can use Instagram or LinkedIn. I think these two are the most common, or even on Behance you can maybe try to contact them. But on LinkedIn, on the search box, if you write designer and then the X company, you will find some people who work there or who used to work there, or maybe some interns who might be also helpful with the process. So you can find a lot of people, and don't expect everybody to answer, don't expect everybody to be interested in you, but at least this is the first step to find these people to send your portfolio or to have this contact, because it's way better than sending your works to info@somecompany.com, you know. And another very important thing is you need to follow on social media some pages, or also like online some websites which regularly announces like this company is hiring, this company is looking for interns, this company is looking for a designer, and this type of things. And also directly on the brand's websites you can try to find, because sometimes there are these job opportunity sections that you can see the open positions. But on car design, before that, it becomes more internally. Like if they need somebody, they first search in their own network, I guess. Like at least it happened a couple of times I experienced this. This is where these connections are more important. The network is more important, because let's say you are ready, you have a good portfolio and you have a connection with a couple designers and you wrote them, and you can remind yourself every 6 months. You know, you can ask for when is the best time for me to apply, when can I send you my portfolio. And until this next 6 months, you can update your portfolio, you can follow their instructions, let's say, or their feedback, and you can apply again and again. And if you don't give up, I'm pretty sure you can get a placement, you can get an internship or a job through this type of connections. And also you can watch right here the portfolio that got me a job as a professional car designer in Ital Design Volkswagen Group. By the way, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you are new to this channel, and see you in the next video.